Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents DIY face mask recipe to clear severe acne. Is your skin almost always peppered with nasty pus-filled pimples? Do all the expensive beauty products seem to have no reaction on your acne-prone skin? Then it is time to give the best DIY clove acne face mask a try. I have heard about countless herbal ingredients that have proven to show mild to noticeable difference on acne. However, this is the first time I heard about clove usage for clearing skin acne without leaving any scars behind. So I had to test its authenticity, and this is what I found out. Acne happens when the sebaceous glands get chocked with bacteria and dirt, causing red boils to sprout on skin. It is a condition more common in people between the age group of 16 and 25 years, that is, when skin produces more sebum. Acne can occur not just on your face, but also neck, back, and other areas too. Now, clove contains antibacterial properties that makes it a strong cleanser. It cleanses the pores, kills infection-causing bacteria, preventing it from further spreading. This DIY acne clove face mask also acts as a mild chemical peel. It slows off the dead skin cells, lightens blemishes, revealing clear and healthy skin. Plus, it is a potent source of antioxidants that stimulate blood flow, boost collagen level, and promote the regeneration of new skin cells. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to cure acne naturally using clove. Ingredients: you will need the following: apple, green tea leaves, clove oil, organic honey. Step 1. Peel, dice and grind half a piece of apple. Whip the apple into a smooth, lump-free paste. Apple is high on fiber that locks the moisture in skin and prevents it from leaking through the pores. Step 2. Next, boil 1 cup of water. Add a tablespoon of green tea leaves and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Turn off the flame and let the tea cool down. Green tea contains antioxidants that keep the skin healthy and glowing. Step 3. Take a bowl, mix a teaspoon of apple paste with an equal amount of green tea. Using a fork, mix it well to get a smooth consistency. Next, add 1 drop of clove oil. Step 4. You can also add a teaspoon of organic honey in this DIY acne face mask. Honey is a rich source of amino acids and vitamin C. Revitalize, hydrate and nourish the skin. Step 5. Cleanse your face and pat dry your skin. Step 6. Apply a thin coat of the mask to your face and neck. Avoid the area around your eyes and mouth. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 7. Once the mask dries off completely, spray little water, and when the mask loosens, scrub in a circular motion using your fingers. Do this for 2 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water, and follow it up by washing your face with cold water. Step 8. Pat dry your skin using an old t-shirt. Next, massage your skin with a light fragrance-free moisturizer that suits your skin type. Key points to keep in mind: clove oil tends to be very concentrated, so make sure to dilute it with a base carrier oil in 1:10 ratio in case if you are using directly. No skin reacts the same way to clove, so make sure to patch test it first to eliminate any possibility of side effects. Slight burning sensation is normal with this face mask. However, if you feel extreme irritation, rinse your face immediately with water and rub some ice. Apply this mask once a week to see a noticeable difference in acne. This clove face mask recipe will dry off any acne, lighten old blemishes, and with time clear out the acne. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.